Hey gang, Poppy here. If you're not over the age of 18, go away. Seriously, go. Go, 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 go. I don't want you here. This show is for old men. So unless you got gray hair, old ladies, you're welcome too. But if you're under 18, get out. Get out. Okay, go. Hey gang, Poppy here. I promised I wouldn't get into partisan politics, so I'm not gonna. But I've been watching the Foggy Bottom Kabuki show. You catch that? Foggy Bottom Kabuki? Guys, it is a joke. It's entertainment. It stopped being government. Yeah. And I'm not taking any sides because they're all. Yeah. Uh, well, that's about that on the Foggy Bottom Kabuki, right? Oh, there's more to come. There's more to come. And it's about ready for prime time. Then it's going to get really spectacular, isn't it? Maybe we can see some of them politicians physically assaulting each other. That would be nice. I'd love to see the Republican and the Democrat. Boom, 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 boom. That would be the debate.